Hello, fifth graders. Today we'll be talking about main idea and supporting details, specifically focusing on supporting details and how to find them in a story. So first, what is a main idea? A main idea is the most important sentence in a paragraph or story. A main idea tells us what the story is all about. To find a main idea, it is typically found at the beginning of a paragraph, and you can also use the pictures in the story to help you locate the main idea and find out what it is. What is a supporting detail? These are facts and examples that tell you more about a main idea. Supporting details help us to explain the main idea and understand it so we can better understand the story. Here is a picture to help you visualize main idea and supporting details. The main idea would be like the top of a flower, the main part, the most important part, and the supporting details are like the leaves on the flowers. They're here to help support the flower, or in this case, the main idea. This is the example I will go over. Minnesota is known for harsh winters. What do I know that supports this idea? I know that it is very cold here in the winter. I know that we get a lot of snow in the winter. And I know that school is sometimes canceled because of the weather. So all of these things are details that support my main idea. Minnesota is known for harsh winters. Next, we will practice using our story. The main idea is Kyle and Carrie did everything together. What do you know or remember from the story that helps support this idea? Very good. They worked on their homework together. Another idea? They played soccer together. One more. Can I have one more person with an idea? They went to karate class together. Very good, finding the supporting details about this main idea from the story. Let's go over another main idea from the story. The first week they had their cast was exciting. Can anybody tell me what you remember, what you know from the story that supports this idea? They worked on their homework together. If you would like, I'll give you a few minutes to turn to your partner and discuss the last two main ideas. Okay, who would like to raise their hand and let me know what they talked about with their partner? Very good. Kyle and Carrie didn't have to run laps, and everyone signed their casts. Very good finding the supporting details with your partner. Next, we will work on independent practice. So for this, we're going to use Bonk at the Barbershop, the story that we worked on earlier this week. I will pass out the story, and I would like you to focus on these main ideas listed below. Using your handout, I would like you to fill in the boxes with 3 supporting details about each of these main ideas. So I'll have these listed, I'll have these up on the board, and you will also have them listed on your sheet. Main idea 1, Bonk is growing. Main idea 2, they look through a book that shows different haircuts. So I will pass out the story, and I also pass out your graphic organizers where you can organize your ideas and write down the details that support each of these main ideas. I will give you time to work on this independently, and I will be walking around in case you need any help.